kahapon sa Kababayan Alert. Manny Paez from Manila Forwarder, kayo nagkaroon din ng mga donation ng mga drive for typhoon victims, right? Ang headquarters po ng Manila Forwarder is in Igora. Ang puntahan naman ng mga nasa West Covina, Walnut, Diamond Bar area ay ang Cherry Salon because Cherry Ordonez, owner of Cherry Salon, along with her business partner, Feliz Fernandez, also put together a drive. Cherry, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, we started the drive right after the day that happened.
I know.
Sunday actually in-announced namin that we're going to open our door for the donors. So, overwhelming. I didn't plan na talagang isang araw lang, but I didn't expect na the whole week pala mangyayari lahat yan.
Feliz, yung mga pinag-announce niyo, saan ba kayo nag-announce in one day na bakit ang daming nagpuntahan bigla sa Cherry Salon?
Well, actually, Cherry and I talked about it. Tapos, sabi niya gano'n, i-post natin sa Facebook. So, that's a really good avenue na tool na ginamit namin in order para manawagan sa mga community na if they wanted to donate, and then so we can, we can help the people that were,
Now, thing is, Cherry, there's a personal case to this, no? Kasi ikaw mismo, meron ka mismong former employee na na-wipe out. Can you tell us his story?
It was EJ, he also worked in New Jersey, and he used to be my receptionist at salon, and he told me na Miss Cherry na-wipe out kami, and then I was so overwhelmed na what happened. And then he told me about everything. That's why I started to begin to think about what can I do for him and for them. And that's all.
At Manny, ikaw, may mga warehouse ang Manila Forwarder sa Pilipinas. Pero meron kayo ng personal connection dito sa naging calamity in the Philippines?
Actually, I grew up in Venezuela. Kaya normal na sa akin yung baka. Kaya sanay na tayo dyan na marami pa yung mga empleyado, of course, na naapektuhan. Most of our employees are from Venezuela, Malabon, saka taga-Tuntun sa mga.
Actually, Malabon, palaging lubog yun, diba? Oo.
Advantage naman yun sa amin dahil nung nagkaroon ng calamity na ganyan, lahat ng driver namin, sanay na sa baha.
Handa na.
Kaya ang bilis namin nag-respond. Nakita mo may mga pangkapa kami, may mga jet. Araw-araw na sa amin.
So, sa pagbabalik po ng Kababayan Alert, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga naging problema nila sa kanilang mga drives, kung ano man mga challenges, at pinaka-importante, saan ba napupunta yung mga dinodonate natin. We will be back for more. Don't go away.